Today we're going to install a rear view mirror on this RZR. Alright, so this is the kit. Comes with different size adapters for the pipe, the side or the rear view mirror itself, and then the mounting hardware. So let's go ahead and find the correct size for it. Alright, so I'm going to use the middle one here. I'm going to put the rubber piece that came with it right in there. I slipped it in between, and I'm going to slip this bracket back there. Alright, so I actually had to use the bigger one because this wasn't closing. So I have the rubber there, put that there. Okay, so this is going to slip right here behind the mirror. Oh man, we're going to have to press that in there pretty hard. Let me get these to the side, and then we're going to use that to clamp everything down. Alright, so I try to insert the screws in there, but the plastic is not hollow all the way through. So I have my drill bit here, and I'm just going to hollow those things out. So I'm able to put these little bolts in between. They provided 3. You only need 2. They provided an extra one just in case. So let's get to it. I'm gonna make a hole real quick here, just so I could pierce it through, because you can see it is not going through. Alright, and this is a 7/64. You really can't see it, but there, I made the holes bigger. Now the screw should be able to slide in between. Let's give it a try, and yes it did. Perfect. So we'll put that nut behind it, and we'll use a Phillips screwdriver just to secure these down, and we'll insert the other one here as well. Perfect. And we'll insert that nut behind it just like that, and then we'll insert this here. Oh my gosh, that's gonna need some elbow grease. Alright, so I have some towels underneath it. I'm actually going to spray a little bit of WD-40 on this so it could help it slip in. Actually, let's do this. Whoops. Well, come on. Oh my goodness, that is tight. Alright, so I'm going to use a fly hit to open this up a little bit. Alright, I'm going to use a 13mm deep socket. Let's see if I can push it in with that. There it goes. Some biscuit. God dang, so that's the trick. 13mm deep socket. Press that sucker in and secure these down now. Alright, and there it is. I actually had to pop this all the way in. So after you use the socket, just pop it in and it should lock into place. Secure these down with a Phillips screwdriver. Let's remove this little top piece from here. And let's see what size this is. Alright, and we'll use a 10mm deep socket, and let's go secure this down into the RZR. They just pull this one in. This one looks sick. This one's dope. Whoa. There's the one we're working on. There's this one that I customized as well. It's pretty sick. Shoom. How do you like that? Alright, so it comes with 2 washers, a lock washer, and a nut. We're going to leave 1 washer in there, put that in. Hey, that's me. And then we'll secure with the washer, the lock washer, then the nut. And just mount it where you want it. I think that's pretty good. Maybe we'll go a little bit to the side. Then we'll secure it down with the 10mm socket. I have a deep socket, but you can use a short one too. And just hold it where you want it and secure it down. Otherwise they'll move. And there we have it. Sweet. Not bad. Just installed all these mirrors. Now we can see back. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I actually flipped the mirror around. Kind of like it better. It's not so much in my face, and I can see out.